Okay, welcome to Talking Football with D. Lebon is one game, Mamamos.
Braga, game of vandaag Braga. It was a fair square.
Fan Square.
Fair square Braga. Chiefs is the first half.
Yes.
Redladile sharp Braga.
Sure.
And even the second half, mfana. Awuna nto re complain ka yona Braga.
Game why you president the most, Mamos.
Hey, mfethu. Mfana na marabal bambele under pressure. Mfundo Vilakazi.
Mfundo
under pressure mare. Uba petse Braga.
Even the man of the match.
Uba petse mfana. Uba petse.
And
Onana rakafika level ya bumufukeni.
Why la Braga?
Why?
pushing.
Without the benefit of doubt.
Why?
Yes.
Mfana wa pusha Braga.
So coach yale na yentshwa uyiko jwanga yona.
No, bona Romolo vandaag.
What's a piece? Or league la ka itela Pirates.
Wa Pirates mo re ka tloibo.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Kosi.
Thank
Kosi
you
for life.
Shapa.
Thank you so much.
Sharp.
Team.
Ufuna ukhuluma
Ufuna ukhuluma.
Kuluma wena.
awuthi ngikhuluma
Oh khuluma.
awurike bu wena
Anabuthata bujaba. Welcome to Talking Football with D. We won one game ya mamotla sesiwa.
It was nice.
It was nice, ne? Who
Yes.
impressed you the most?
Peterson.
Peterson. Mtebe. Mtebe bana. Here's the man who's been helping us with getting the people to come and do an interview with us. Butu aka Grootman yaka we bone jwang papadi ya mamotla.
Esan. It was entertaining.
Entertaining.
But
ne?
can I not comment ka game as a whole?
Yes.
I just want to address a little aspect on the goalkeeping department in South Africa.
Yes.
Those guys are very negative.
Yes.
You see, the stadium is full.
Yes.
These people have come to watch football.
Yes.
And then what you do as a goalkeeper, you just sleep on top of the ball.
Ish.
And then the players don't know where to space,
Where to
when to
space.
space. You see,
Yes.
there was an incident by Unchaebe.
Yes.
Don't get me wrong, Unchabe is
It's very good. Yes.
But now there was a moment when the referee was counting
Yes.
up to 10, and then it was changed to
And it's a
corner kick.
friendly.
It's a friendly.
We should
That is
give
what I've
people
been saying.
entertainment.
Exactly. Let us entertain people.
Yes.
But that one needs to be addressed, especially on the goalkeepers from these three big teams.
Yes.
They need to be positive about
Yes,
football.
about the football.
Thank you,
Thank you so much.